I've given egg fried rice a lot of thought and attention over the last few months because I want to make it more exciting, more tasty, and well, just more. And I've come up with what I think is the ultimate egg fried rice recipe. In fact, so ultimate is it that I've called it my double egg fried rice recipe. Why is it called that? Well, stick around to the end of the recipe and you will find out, my friends. First, I've got 2 spring onions, which I am going to finely chop. Going to crack 1 egg, 1 large egg, and give it a whisk. And I've got 2 rashers of bacon. Any bacon of your preference will be fine. I'm going to cut that into thin strips. Just like that. For the rice itself, I've got 350 grams of overnighted cold rice. That's rice I boiled or steamed last night, let it cool down at room temperature, and then put it straight into the fridge. Now that makes sure that it's nice and dry, which you probably wouldn't like to eat just as it is, but when you fry it, it completely rejuvenates it. If you try to cook freshly boiled or steamed rice, it's gonna go into a complete mush and burn and be really horrible to handle. So try to overnight it if you can. Right, I've got a smoking hot wok. I'm gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil, cold oiled hot pan, don't forget. Give it a swirl round. Make sure we coat the wok. That helps us complete a non-stick surface in a well-seasoned wok. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my bacon in, fry that off. When the bacon starts to colour up, that's when we can go to the next stage. I'm going to add another little bit of oil. So that makes 2 tablespoons altogether. Then I'm going to add my egg. My 1 beaten egg. Now all we got to do is wait for it to start to set. Don't do anything too messy with it. Look, just about there. Now it's time to add our overnighted chilled egg fried rice, which, as you can see, is quite dry, like I said. Okay, now we go into it and we just gently break it up, like so. Now we can start tossing our egg through it, like so. Okay. At the moment it doesn't look too appetizing, right? But just you wait. When all the oils and the flavors of the bacon, the egg gets into it, look, it's already started. The steam that will come out of it, because it still has some moisture, will start to soften it up from within. Okay? And all we're doing is just pressing out the lumps. Keep it moving, make sure it's not going to stick or burn. Oh, this is going to be amazing. You really can. Okay, more lumps coming out. We can now add our splash of light soy sauce. Just a splash more of light soy sauce. I reckon about 1/2 tablespoon in total there. And you can see that classic light golden brown that the rice is supposed to be. Okay, and we're very nearly there. Got just a touch of salt and pepper here, some ground black pepper and some cracked sea salt. Just a little bit. Obviously the soy sauce gives it quite a bit of saltiness, so taste it as you go and see how you get on. And we're nearly there. See how that's transformed from that hard, dry bowl of rice into this lovely, moist, succulent rice we have before us now. And the final thing for the rice is to put our spring onions in. Now we're not going to cook them, we're just going to slightly, we'll toss them through basically. I wouldn't even say wilt them, but that's going to add a little bit of crunch, a little bit of oniony freshness to this rice. It's going to be absolutely amazing. And that, guys, is that. You know how this tastes even before I tell you how it tastes. Divine. You all know what egg fried rice tastes like. Well, this is with the double egg. That was a double egg, by the way. The egg on top, and you can put as many on as you like. And the bacon just gives it more of that umami. Holy cow. So if you're bored of egg fried rice, there you go. If you've liked this video, a sub and a like to this channel would be splendid. Check out these recipes here for what you might put this with. Thanks guys, see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye. Egg fried rice is to Chinese cooking what chips is to British cooking, pasta is to Italian cooking, burgers are to American cooking.